This is Hamid Ali. I am concerning with the Department of Horticulture under the observation of Dr. Tanveer. I have given the assignment to show you some vegetables and their with their identification and their characteristics. I have some vegetable to show you and I will try to make some identification with your convenience for your convenience. I have some vegetable to show you. I will try to mark them with their identification. I will try to identify each and every aspect that I know about the vegetables. Let me go toward the cherry tomato. This is cherry tomato. You can see the color of cherry tomato. Appearance are small and brightly colored. They are generally red and yellow, and this one is of yellow colored. If I talk about the flavor, cherry tomato are sweet and sometimes slightly sour in taste. Composition ki if I talk about the composition of cherry tomato naturally are extremely healthy. They are nutritional they have great nutritional importance. The fruit of cherry tomato is of small size. This one is pale yellow and this is not full ripened, and this is yellowish, totally yellowish, and this is about to ripen. If we talk about the other pedicels and the fruit, these are very young in age and these are not ripening. The scientific name of cherry tomato is Solanum lycopersicum. If I talk about this family of this plant, it belongs to the Solanaceae family and genus Solanum and species Solanum lycopersicum. Variety Seraphom. Cherry tomato range in size from thumb tip up to the size of a golf ball and range from spherical slightly oblong in shape. Spherical slightly oblong in shape, usually red. Other varieties such as yellow, green and black also exist. This is all about the cherry tomato. You can see the leaves and you can see the whole plant. This is used as bale around the this stand. Now we coming toward the cucumber, botanical named as Cucumis sativus. You can see the cucumber plant which are spherically wrinkled around this stand, iron stand. The cucumber plant is a tender annually with rough succulent training stems. Succulent training stems. The hairy leaves, you can see if cameraman want to see you. The hairy stems have 3 to 5 lobes and stem bears branches, tendrils by which plant can train to spots. The 5 petaled yellow flower are unisexual or produce a type of berry known as pepo. You can see the physical appearance of the cucumber plant. This is almost 5 to 6 feet taller, and this is the fruit of cucumber plant. You can see here. You can identify easily by seeing this fruit of the cucumber plant. If we talk about the color, this family belong to the cucurbit family. Other important member of this family include watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin and squash. This exists in green color, although including white, yellow and even orange color are also exist. Green cucumber are the most common cucumber, are actually come in many different color including white, yellow and green. This was all about the cucumber characteristics which I told you. Hope so you can identify by after seeing this video. Now I would like to show you some chili plant. If I want to see you, you can see here chili fruit I have 2 to 3 colored fruit in chili. The chili fruit is hollow with many seeds. They are found in different colors, like green. You can see here. This one is green. White. White is not present here. Yellow. This is pale yellow. This is pale. And chili pepper contain substance like capsaicin, which gives pepper their characteristic pungency, produce mild to intense spice which eaten. If we talk about the benefits of chili, I would like to share natural pain reliever, cardiovascular benefits, clear congestion, boost immunity and lost weight. All these are the benefits of the chili plant. You can see the whole plant. This is called the chili plant. Here some plant die due to the less light and some loss of nutrient. Now I am going to tell you about the brinjal plant. This is the seedling of brinjal. You can see here is the many seedlings of the brinjal plant. We can pot its single seedling into the separate pot and it will grow like this plant. You can see the fruit of brinjal plant here. If I talk about the characteristics of the brinjal plant, it is a great source of mineral and vitamin. Helps it with the digestion. You can identify with its leaf and it prevent anemia, it improve heart health, and it is a great source of vitamin and mineral.